So this person's talking about being fully healed before getting into a romantic relationship. And I don't know if you need to do that. I really believe that you need to connect with somebody else to help you heal because we are mirrors of each other. And what we do is reflect back our experiences and we talk about it and we help each other through those experiences. But here's what I submit to you is prioritizing platonic relationships. My name is Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach and I want to help you make more meaningful connections in your personal and professional life. I strongly advocate that you do not get in a romantic relationship before you find friendships because you're supposed to practice on your friends. And yes, practice on your friends. Practice sharing your feelings and working through those wounds with somebody who isn't as deeply emotionally invested as a potential partner because once you get that physical thing going, it seems to get a little deeper. But I'm saying you can practice with your friends who will be there for you, who are interested in supporting you because, man, you can't be a friend to your friend. How can you be a friend to your partner? You're supposed to be that too, aren't you?